Hi! In front of me is TCL for DSE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off simple mode on this smartphone. First of all, go into Devices settings and scroll down. Now select Apps section over here and choose Default Apps. After that, you need to tap on Home app and choose Simple Enter. Now click on Go over here if you wish to see notification dots, and tap on Simple Enter. Following that, you need to tap on the switcher next to Allow Notification Access, choose Allow and click Home button. As you can see, Easy Mode is now on. If you wish to go back from it, you need to go into the same settings, choose Apps again, Default Apps and Home app. This time though, select Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!